Hi guys, let's make some mandazis. We have our bowl, of course. We are using ajab and we have sugar, salt, and this is eggs with lemon zest already, warm milk, and chapa mandazi, baking powder.
Baking powder?
Baking powder.
Yeah.
Lemon, with a Miss Lorraine. Family together we rise. Adventure and laughter shining in our eyes. From sun up to sunset.